Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a crosstab or matrix table in Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll be able to take raw data and turn it into a dynamic, interactive summary, the kind of table that lets you instantly see how your sales or any other metrics are performing by different categories. Whether you're brand new to Power BI or just looking to sharpen your skills, you'll find this walkthrough really useful. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the data we're working with. Imagine you have a table that tracks sales numbers across different regions and products. It's laid out simply. You've got three columns: region, product, and sales. For example, in the North region, you might see laptop sales at 120 units, tablet sales at 80, and phone sales at 150. And then you've got similar lines for South, East, and West. This is the raw transactional data. While it's informative, it's not easy to analyze trends or spot where you're doing well at a glance. That's where a matrix or crosstab comes in. Think of it as a pivot table in Excel, but inside Power BI. So the first actionable step, head into the report view in Power BI. On the right-hand side, you'll see the visualizations pane. Here you want to look for the matrix icon. It looks like a small grid or table. Click that and Power BI will add a new blank matrix visual onto your canvas. This will be the framework for your crosstab. Now let's populate this matrix. This is the part where you decide what shows up in your rows, columns, and values. Take your region field and drag it into the rows area of the matrix. Think of these as the categories going down the side of your table. Next, take product and drag it into the columns area. These are what you'll see across the top. Finally, drag sales into the values area. This determines what fills up the actual cells, the numbers you'll compare. Give it a moment and you'll see a crosstab pop to life. Regions listed down the side, products across the top, and each cell showing the sales number for that combination. For example, you'll spot that in the West region, phone sales hit 160 units, while in the East, laptop sales were just 70. But the matrix visual is more than just a static table. Let's make it work for you. In the Format pane, you can enable subtotals and grand totals. This means Power BI automatically adds totals for each region and product, so you can instantly see totals by row and column. If you're ever wondering how North stacks up against all other regions, or which product is leading in sales, this feature is a lifesaver. Plus, you can expand or collapse rows and columns to drill deeper or just focus on the details you care about. For bigger datasets, this drill down is essential. It helps you cut through the noise and focus on what matters. And here's a pro tip: you're not limited to just one field in rows or columns. You could add another dimension like month or salesperson to either axis. That way you create multi-level crosstabs. Maybe you want to look at sales by region and quarter or analyze different KPIs across departments. Don't worry if things look busy at first. Power BI is built for this and you can always adjust the view as you go. Now let's make sure you know how to read this table. Each cell represents the intersection of a region and a product. A quick lookup tells you, for instance, how many tablets were sold in the East. The row totals on the right show you the overall sales for each region, while the column totals at the bottom sum up sales by product across all regions. It's a clear, powerful way to tell your data's story, whether you're in a board meeting or just exploring trends personally. Matrix visuals are incredibly handy. You can use them to compare how different products are selling in each region, analyze department performance on KPIs, or even display survey results by different groups and categories. Once you get comfortable with them, you'll reach for them in almost every data analysis project, and your reporting will become much more insightful. And that's it. You've just built a working crosstab or matrix table in Power BI. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, go ahead and tap that like button. If you have any questions or you want to see more on Power BI, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.